Hi guys, my name is Kiana Hanna, and I wanted to share really quickly what you have at your fingertips when you invest in Beachbody On Demand. Not many people know everything that it offers. Some people just think, oh, it's just where I get my workout, which it is, but you have so many other things that I want to share. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. The value of this is incredible. It's $99 a year. You get access to everything that we offer on Beachbody On Demand and any new programs in the next 365 days. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. This is Beachbody On Demand. So you want to log into beachbodyondemand.com. You want to put in your password that you put in for Team Beachbody when you signed up to get this, and your the email and the password, okay? And this will bring you to Beachbody On Demand. You also can download the app on an iPad or your phone. I have it on my phone, and then I can live stream it. I can use Wi-Fi and stream it to my TV. So here's how it works. This is what it kind of looks like on the computer. It's broken down into fitness level, okay, into the length of time, into the type of workout that you want, and into the trainer, which is really convenient. For this particular example, I'm going to share with you some of the things that are coming out that I'm really excited about. So A Little Obsessed is something that is a precursor to the 80-day obsession. Some of you have joined us and excited for 2018 for a new workout called 80-day obsession. It comes out January 15th. For this particular purpose, I cannot share with you the meal plan because it does not come out until January 8th, and I think it's only January 5th. But I'm going to give you an example of the things that are offered on this that not a lot of people know about. So this is 80-day obsession. I'm going to go ahead, or I'm going to click on A Little Obsessed, okay? Normally this is what you do. You click on it, you push play. It's as simple as that. All right, you're gonna accept it, okay? And then you're gonna play it. And it's gonna be as simple as that, okay? There's Autumn. All right, this one is particular 37 minutes. I'm gonna stop it. Okay, but what people don't understand is when they miss this button right here called the program materials. So I want you to understand that every program we have comes with program materials. They are going wireless, and they're going wireless because the PDFs are becoming bigger just because we're giving so much good stuff. So the 80-day obsession will not come with a paper booklet. It will come with a PDF file. All right, you don't have to, that way you can pick and choose what you want to print up. You can pick and choose the recipes that you want to print up. So here's the workout calendar. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, this is for 80-day A Little Obsessed. There's the workout calendar. It tells you what you need. All right. Let's see if I can get back off of this. Oh, here we go. Here is the main thing. There's tracker sheets. There's so much stuff on here, but there is a meal plan, nutrition. So on each one of these things, it's going to come, workouts, it's going to come with a meal plan. And not many people understand that, okay? Here is awesome. This is what's awesome about this is we're starting to offer vegan programs for people that really want to go plant-based. A Little Obsessed eating plan has come out. It's going to be very similar to the 80-day obsession, but this is the eating plan, you guys. Take a look at this. This is everything you need. I would highly suggest anytime you're ready to start a program that you sit down, okay? You definitely need to print out the getting started paper. Okay, if you can't print it out, just do the calculations in your head and write down what your calculation is. And then it breaks down the containers, okay? And it tells you what plan you're in, plan A, B, C, D, E, and F. Then it will help you get started. Like this particular program is a time nutrition plan. It's something that's brand new in Beachbody. I'm really, really excited about it. So it shares, okay, what is suggested. You guys, this is an outline for the best option. It does not mean that if you can't follow this, you can't do the program. It just means this is a best option that we can go with. And then you're going to figure out, and you're going to hear me talk a lot about the best, better, and good options with each program. So if this particular thing you can't suit you, maybe you wake up at 4 in the morning, you don't want to wake up 90 minutes before 4 in the morning and eat your pre-workout, okay? Meal, I get it. So we're going to talk a lot on in our challenge groups and on the team calls about what you can do to figure out your best, better, and good options, okay? And if you have any questions, make sure you reach out to your coach. This is a workout block. This explains like all the different stuff, all right? So now you know this. This tells the breakdown of food containers, you guys. I highly suggest that if you don't print these out, you download the app called 21 Day Fit, F-I-T, Tracker, okay? I think it's $1.99, and it helps you track your containers, which is so useful in the middle of the day and in the night, and you're like, what do I have left? You can just kind of plug in your meals to the containers, all right? Some of you are gonna be super uber excited on Sundays, and you're gonna plan every meal to the T of the containers and make it happen. Kudos to you. I think that is the best thing that you can do. Some of you, however, aren't gonna do that. You're gonna mainly plan your dinners and then fit your containers in around your meal plans. I hope that makes sense. That's what I do, and that's how I've been able to be very successful, and it fits my lifestyle. That is a good option, I guess, or a best option for me. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this, and I'm gonna share with you one last thing. There's something on here that is called, see if I can get it here. It is called Fixate Cooking Show. This is an incredible asset to Beachbody On Demand. A lot of people don't know about it. I want you to understand that they add new recipes every single week. It's 4 to 5 minutes long, these videos. They added turkey taco lettuce wraps this week, and cashew and nuts oat hotcakes, okay? They have breakfast recipes and lunch recipes and dinner recipes. Yes, in the program materials, you will get like 5 or 6 new dinners and 5 or 6 new breakfasts. But this is where you want to go to find 21 Day Fix meal approved. You don't need to go searching. They are right here. You just need to, and she literally makes it so easy and simple, okay? Another thing that you want to look at is this functional videos. If you've never done the 21 Day Fix, check out the container video. Check out how to clean out your pantry. Check out the meal prep. This is all here for you. And so I wanted to make sure that you knew that, and I wanted to make sure you knew what you had at your fingertips. The last thing I wanted to share with you is that once you graduate from one program to the next, you simply just go back to the workout programs and figure out what it is that you want to do. So maybe you now have graduated, I don't know, something with Autumn, and you want to do a muscle building workout. So now, okay, you're gonna go to one of these and do a muscle building workout. Sorry, I didn't click on it. Muscle building workout. And you're gonna start to look at, these are all the different programs that offer some muscle building workouts, okay? Maybe you wanna do the trainer, okay? Maybe you wanna try Sagi, okay? Let's click on Sagi, all right? All his workouts come out. A week of hard labor, Body Beast. This is an amazing asset. Use it. Just take 10 minutes to look at it, and I promise you, you will get so much more out of your experience with Beachbody On Demand. Thanks, guys.